Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Amrit. In this tutorial you learn how you can create this beautiful crumpled effect on your any image. To learn this, let's get started the video. To follow this tutorial you can download this image, link in the description. In first step, just go to adjustment layers and create here a new layer. After this, just press Ctrl plus backspace key. Now this blank canvas is created. I am just change its name to a crumpled paper. After changing its name, now just we are creating here a crumpled paper. To create that crumpled paper, just go to side panel and select here this gradient tool and go to top panel and select here this black to white. I am just click on this and you can select here a method of this diamond. Just click on this and change here blend mode to a difference. I am just selecting here this difference. Now just drag here and there to create this crumpled effect on your image. You can just drag here and there. You can take your time to do this manually. I am just drag here and there. I am just stop here. This is looking awful. To make it beautiful and more elastic, just go to top panel and select here this filter. In this filter you can select here this stylize and you can select here this emboss. I am just click on this. Now you can see here with this crumpled paper is created. You can select here a height and amount according to your taste. I am just increase here a amount value with this sharpness and these edges are created on our this crumpled paper. Just increase here amount and you can also change here angle of this. I am just selecting here this 169 degree. After this I am just hit on a OK button. Now you can see here this crumpled paper is created. Now just select this background layer and go to adjustment layers and create here a new layer. I am just click on this and turn this layer off and select this layer 1 and press Ctrl backspace key. Now this blank layer is created. To make it white, just press Alt plus backspace key. Now just turn this layer on and select this background layer and press Ctrl J to make a copy of it and change its name to a subject and adjust it layer top on this crumpled paper. After this, just select this crumpled paper and this subject layer. Press Ctrl key to select this both. After this, just select here a move tool and adjust here its size. I am just drag it. I am adjust it here. You can adjust according to your preference where you want to adjust it. Now just select this subject layer and go to side panel and select here this polygon lasso tool and just drag here and there. With this we are creating here this cutting edges effect on our this paper and on this subject. Just drag here and there. You can take your time to do this manually. I am just cutting here these edges. Now with this polygon lasso tool our selection is created. With the selection active, just go to adjustment layers and click on this mask. Now you can see here after adding this mask, this is looking beautiful. To make it more realistic, just press Alt key and copy this mask on this crumpled paper. Now just select here this subject layer and change here its blend mode from normal to overlay. With this crumpled effect is added. To make it more realistic, just double click on it and change here its blend ifs. I am just take this slider to a right side and taking it from a dark area. So just press Alt key to split this slider to make this transition smoother. I am just pressing the Alt key. Just stop where you are satisfied. I am just take it to all the way left. And I am also take this to a left side. I am just stop where this is looking more beautiful and more elastic. I am just stop here. After this I am just hit on a OK button. Now have a look at it. This is looking more beautiful and more elastic. You can see here a final result. This is before. This is after adding this crumpled paper effect on our this image. That's it. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like this video and also subscribe this channel for more tutorial like this. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.